Is KDC a falling knife now? Continue to listen and you can decide later. Recently, KDC released its full year results on 26 January 2024, and I took some time to go and look at its progress. So there are a few things that happened. For the DXC litigation, KDC won in its favor, and the announcement was released on the 15th Jan. However, with the Guangdong DC case that's happening right now, there was a letter of demand being issued. So its full year dividends is 9.383 cents. I wanted to do my own analysis and document it down here and share with you because it's kind of crucial to know how KDC would fare. From the revenue aspect, it is good that it increased its revenue by 1.4% from 277 million to 281 million. As you can see down here, in the results briefing, I will also summarize in my own knowledge that the manager is always looking for opportunities with the right price, which is borrowing money with the appropriate interest rates. But the gross profit margin of Keppel DC fell from 91% to 87%, and it really mattered to me because my initial reasons of buying Keppel DC was its high gross profit margin. So I looked deeper, but down here I just want to share this screenshot. It documented the property operating expense, and one thing stood out, which was the loss allowance for doubtful receivables. These doubtful receivables, the value was 10.5 million, and it was incurred in relation to the uncollected rent and coupon income of roughly 5.5 months of the Guangdong DC case. And I took a pause because I asked myself, is this a one-off event of the many years that KDC will continue as a business? Write your comments in the comment section below, because if you are a shareholder, I just want to know what your thoughts are. What is the key? The key is, what's my independent valuation of Keppel DC right now? For every valuation that I do, I will have some assumptions. So I'm going to state the two of them here. First, I intend to write off the Guangdong DC contributions. I also intend to assume that the finance costs will remain as it is in this current interest rate environment. So with that, I arrive at 8 cents dividend payout. So how did I arrive at 8 cents? Down here, there's a big picture and I need you to focus on the red box. So it says loss allowance in relation to uncollected rental and coupon income of around 5.5 months, and recoveries at the Guangdong DC impacted FY 2023 DPU by 0.694 cents. So I need you to pay attention. Roughly 5.5 months and 0.649 cents. What I did next was to translate that information to this following table. Down here, I will show you my own records of when Keppel DC got Guangdong DC 1, 2, and 3 into its portfolio. But remember the loss allowance of 5.5 months of rental? That equates to 0.65 cents of DPU. Translate that and match it with the number of red circles that we see for the second half 2-3. We have 6 red circles corresponding to 0.65 cents of DPU. That is like one red circle contributing 0.1 cent of DPU by these 3 Guangdong DCs. Since DC1 and DC2 also contributed revenue in the first half, for this first half, there will be 4 red circles. And if we look at the entire FY23, there are 10 red circles, with each red circle contributing 0.1 cent DPU. That gives me 1 cent DPU contributed by Guangdong DC for the entire FY23. Thus, since FY23 dividend payout amount is 9.383 cents, I would shave off this 1 cent DPU contribution by the Guangdong DCs from the total sum, and I'll get 8.3 cents. Question in your head right now is that, would you buy? That's a valid question because of all information that we research on, it should help us with a decision. But more importantly, as you and I have different financial backgrounds and financial powers, fund allocation is definitely important in the current uncertain economic conditions, because we want to be able to buy when the opportunities present itself. So, is there a simpler REIT to understand? Capital DC REIT seems a bit dramatic right now. It would definitely be the retail REITs because I deem it visible. That is, you're able to look at the traffic flow that goes into malls and out of the malls. So you might want to watch this video to know the two REITs that you might want to own if you want to dominate the Singapore retail space.